That's all. Come Jesus asem. Kan ne ho asem che me manin komi mu. Enti bibia nko basa basa sa why. Enyama bi wo no mo a en deserve your time. There's no need you waste your time on certain things. Your conversation bi wo a enye healthy. Enti ano sa na ya to adwim wo ho. Don't waste your time on such convos. Dabi tie asamwa ebeboa wo de edo be kon kwagye de ebeye wuye de ebema asi wuye de ebema wo kra ani agye eno ani Jesus ho asem esa so onu kuto na asemboni bi ani ne ho onu kuto ena ni din ye bo na ye de ka asem a eyen sempan ho a ensem a di nipa ko ye diem ensem a eje nkwa anase eman kwa de ema de asen ni timi ye ye na de ne wo ne kra aboto no ekhenyan no de ede ohwo bosronko eba. That is what I am talking about. Come Jesus wasem. Get your friends back in the day, man. Sometimes I would tie those days in no gospel now no more ye no. Now what to two and Eddie who ya and say when the baby ya who clear difference. But who beside gospel musician be as na ko say ya na wotie kane said ya na enyum tuoi koi ene ne ya omo kan okra nche da. But gospel you to be a must study for a very long time. He's my good friend. I'm madam for pa. Now, some man way no or kind of crap or kind of crap. Enti me shesa meti me na kasanama bisano the same question way. Not much answer on the mamia. Because one day me so kind of crap. Or Becca say a B or Becca say a B. But like I said earlier, gospel num to fo bebre u bi so pass o compare can gospel music lyrics. I mean the content. I mean you dey hwe said e omo to ombo asehye nwom. Na said e omo ma ye esenku ni ade edi ehini wo mu instrumentation said e dey ye. Na wo de toto enemre mu die hu a Jesus was kana man. And no make us say I come I can't try home. Now say the Kikrim Bram, are you ready? Ashes Bram. Ashes. Wait, a quick one. I think for Ashes will be what follow music pa. Now no. One manager artist baby will cream. Enti onim nyumu pa me misa na question we Ashes we tie anyum we get your friends nyumu yi ya bobo bobi anyum bebre ansa na abeduru nyum we see so na wo dey compare those days gospel na wo dey get your friends more time one mu dey kakra kura yi no eme enko way back never better to enemre mu yi gospel nyumu a ebeba mountain so content any bibia mu e dey na asesa
Niama bibiri asesa. Funny say a free time Tego sisters daughters
no
like honke kanaba from kakra no. I dey friend message sa error no sa won error no. Asama e friend message no. One the koye. Omo the message no koye.
Asem na la waka.
Omo be di akire no. E koye melody ni de nko a. The melody nya chorus bi na wakeka mu.
Because gospel you to need to meet the stage so. E be our 15 minutes to perform. What perform here can last song but say are you ready for what again you are about leaving the stage.
Gospel gospel should be message. Asem na your friend I didn't friend gospel no asem
no
what you say but you are commercializing us on the swama he say no de ni mum na take you over instead of asem no.
Oh my goodness
what you say asem no any hobium
Ashes I can't say
oh true
Ashes I can't say
oni me nya adwen
the oni me nya adwen on team was it therefore me sha se na me ka say gospel nyum tuni bi o ye madamfo na minim so ka no kore enti sa asem ya me bi say gospel fo no bebre be de be nwa but ono de e obeka say e bi obeka say bi Jack aloro me wa Jack akwaba
nyame adom no yeah thank you
na minia ka no kore no pa wo de wa wutie na me ne wa na ye tie nwum bi ni ade wa hwe se de enwum ya hyehyɛ nwum na message na wom se de ahyese kan na wo de toto anemrem gospel ya mo ye hu ya Jack eden na abeka
Jamaican say na what expect this Jamaican can dey
wo de mi so kan no kore ntia person business a question we
oh the be say say on the most serious note Jerry say yeah kan no kore pa say ye fiti ase no ye nkofo bi edu omu see ye ni so
okay
na e show mo ye be kan say omu ye role model okay me hear say somebody like Francis J Adam Reku like those people
message the would enfa would waka mi na ye
enfa bi ka e dey na no mo ye na emu nye yi
omo time no na ministry
na message no
okay ministry
I don't know message one person be message na to
read the Bible like a bet yeah brace na shabo
asema ya kan see esiba na ye
shabo asemnesi momo time shabo na mobo
yeah time o sha yeah brace e ho asofo nso ana aba
ti omo nchira de ni yi ti musumu ti mi nsu ya de
imagine say e bi asofo because of any bi
on the
said na bo say what no ho ma bi am
on the point bi nso aba because o share those days no share messenger Daughters of Glorious Jesus no at the mind na hwe so for am akwata mo time ho no
so for no powerful so for tete wo mo tio asofo tete wo mo asofo bom paye mo mo o chia so for be kire say no hey ha say yankwa ha ha say menye say
but your message no
ye ni emu dodo na o mu sha so
e message no assembly ni obi omo e dede ni we kunku kankran nko message ni bi ho anopena mi tie hanamafo nyumbi na
me papa ne all time favorite gospel act
hanamafo na mi tie ade ne sa na ade ne fa me say wow but then you know but oni miesi akoye say ukọ contemporary na omo Joe Metal no mo ne sanko no omo na e ka ya me say e bi isa fa message
sure
e bi isa fa message was aside
enokre
what you say friend say twi ni ade no commercial no say sika pe no ni ade no adi ani mu dodo o na me che na no na wo ka no ni am pese me che say
yes bro friend there any
o ya for message no skrese mom but o mo the message ni ka
oh my goodness
but twi no e kwa si nya koro ni nya hook na
eno ano ne de na touch this
o na me ka no yen to ba asem no yen ka asem no nkire yen em yen su ade no
but what say once three for no so do na so ya ade but once wo no
anya mu o say nka asem nyina wo nya ade
won shadam for adwen so nko bebre on wo de na ko e na bia asor kra wo ko no brofo nyum ko na bia mo ko asor ya mo
minimu bi anyum e de nyum achi ache oje na si no mo ye obi mu amuso mo ya ade mo ma ya message
ebi ni mo eguso ye kasa ye nkasa
mu nyina
o but akwese na do do na no
ma frem dodo
oh my goodness abusia ashes na etin nka no sanso na Jack alolo me wa onu de onyankoe listen to another powerful song ajinkwa hene wo de tie message na anyu we carry no come on man yeah I am Mama Dina Hobson Satan wo ye we near friend Dina Kiomi
ajinkwa hene kasi yeah you are you ajinkwa hene kasi yeah ma ajinkwa hene kasi yeah you are you ajinkwa hene kasi yeah ma oh
mami mie phone lines ne ma abrochire for no sima kakra bi on say ya fan mo say be hadwen timi sre bebre etim patro say utie me na Ghana ha ya na wa me so Wednesday say dia na yegemu ma yenuan mo amro ne no emfa mom why eti wa abrochire amanone awutie mi apese ofre ba dwumadi no so no ma ho ye ha na ehwe ase friend tem so nim number na because ye mi ahoma ne to nche numbers near 0302 216 561 afi 0302 216 562 sounds like bit me afraid 0268 499 347 Timo amwa ye Europe mpotemo mama ya hodo ni nyina so mo amwa UK mo amwa US mo amwa Canada mo amwa Australia mo amwa Middle East mo so amwa ye any of the African countries Asia for nyina ye checha mu nyina ye mama akwa baba Ofie Kwanso dwumedi so Adom 106.3 FM for today Wednesday the 18th of July 2018. My name is Jerry Justice. This is your own show Ofie Kwanso, produced by Tata Banafo with support from African Nana Bedide and my boy Kwame Obwade in the building. We until 6 near the news at Twaso the amount. Tima ko baby any now here. They will be a try come but all Ghana hana utie the ampacho bebre. Memfre because all higher now it makes it difficult for more outside the country to get through. It is so bebre na we just said be ya. And nepe this na kan na mo amodia. Wednesday spend here the my nuan mo wa man on no. Aha. Na mo so ntimi na nyame ase. Wo fa di kan odwumadi so atudi ni awrade aye. That's what's done here. The Farmer Trust Limited, Afe DBS Industries Limited, Samsung Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited, and now Jumbo Q, and Afe AdomOnline.com. Oh, madama, I know Mukukre, Ama Yedi Ofendi Kain, Yeradia Ebrel, our 106.3 FM, Ofie Kwanso Medieso. Too far, near Copium, our Europe, young caught Denmark, Copenhagen, now young Kofa Ketche, Quam Ketche, I ain't in a real coming.
Yeah, now, Jelly,
Boko there.
Ah, brother, Yamiadum.
Yeah, then Yamias ain't you.
You, we didn't know I can't go. But then Yamiasi, I will not don't be. If I say we are not just say any young one. Nice. Yeah, papa. Now, brother, look, I know what you view.
Mate.
Why? Because what Chatia, Bakwam Kachian, which I know. AdomFM, dear me, continue pa.
Matias, Kwame. Yaminka, that's a power for your call. If I try to praise 2018 ambassador name. Yes. Shanimu Kwan August in where Bopium. Na ebe say he ye be himpa the more ding na ehon aka nyina na ehon bibia de siri so yield money plus ose fa susuto and our face sponsors a tech here bella kwa afi vitamin Luzantil tablets Samsung classic no mosquito coil in the spray Big Boss energy drink Papa's pizza NBF gingival gel Samsung Polar Ice Franco Trading Enterprise Willet Investment Calipo Amanak Real Estate, Trelidor, Tumira Herbal Research and Clinic, Escort Security Services, Goldman Capital, Dr. Caesar Lina Energy Drink, DBS Roofing Sheet, and I give us power capsules, give us ice. Oh, madam, any day, I don't praise 2018 April. Media partners need Precious TV, Footprint TV, Sunny FM, Sweet Melodies, Spring FM, and of course it is powered by the Multimedia Group Limited. I don't praise. Him the more thing on the other. If I try to more tema community 10, 11, and 12. The APM ones and crop for area Vodafone 4 wires no overhead copper wires no. na ugina ho abon se nkrofo bi hye red overall bi no mo aba so ye fi Vodafone na ye ba be replace overhead copper no with fiber e wa abre omo bo amonte da Vodafone se omo contract obi a so medi sa adwumedi ni mo etu se bibi se ekoso obo modern aso be yi police for asutire na ye nkyere sa akronfo yi for police wo 192 and I say 18555 sounds no betimi afre ye control room number no 155 and I say 0302 200 100 na oni edin kita oni etimi ahwe na safo yi ya pom hontoma na enema kese bebre so na ekoso e DSTV so woni mse me kase o mo abomoden create new channel bi ene yi o person hu Nelson Mandela ho nsem ahodo nyina wa bregu so e celebrating year ni nyina ye yi saa wo ha ne ade no e open to chese obia buke bia wo so bia so de ne DSTV access say ye DSTV family say compact plus say ye premium obia betimi ahwe bi ne no nko enti nkoda no ene de DSTV aye ne say oma entertainment overload na sa entertainment overload yi etatamua fisabri akopem the 31st of July 2018 multi choice I introduce you an 18-day open viewing period at the ama super sports channels no yeah no near them omo active DSTV customers at no extra cost or enjoying free. Now active DSTV customers ebetimi enjoy normal access various additional case channels to delight young viewers abro mo amakwanya ba fie ni ade, you know what I'm saying. We are a part of multi-choice for ongoing activities. They reward the active DSTV and then Go TV, you know, customers. It's more now so take your advantage. What me experience, you know, content on higher tier. I just say, oh, booking and can do about to bet me. What I say. Yes, so I said, just get connected, stay connected, and then enjoy the entertainment overload. For further inquiries, 0302 740 540. DSTV, feel every moment. Yanko UK na Yanko fa Efia na yenti di ono so waka chen area. Hello Efia.
Very fast I now ya member crowd.
Efia my order.
The dia I'm afraid the how you know so showing num sa what baby so me say go no ma be second.
Efia fa che me na wan ye ne sanso enye yi. Oh. Osre.
Because I want to go find you because I'm family to swallow in films because of the day of course so that.
La bibia boko there.
Yeah, and they make the
Hey, ya chiro won.
Yeah, baby.
Any kasantem ni anchiro. Why?
Yeah, been down in your because I just have any name we have found out the man. Now, what she did, man tells them that now so many things. Me and Tibacco Paka from member by Ebusi, me a friend, is a baby. So many days, me then I mean to say, I cannot see a person. One boy,
all right. Okay.
Yeah.
You, if you're Yamin, come on, on teach him already. Why? On come on, teach him already. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we are both me no.
Oh, Kafra, shedding. All right. You, Mate. Obefia. Okasafia Debbie UK. All right, I'm an real estate. And the promotions from Kunkoso Kaya or Moasasia no more tonton 8,000 they can count. And they are just about 4,500. Now best child payment plan and UTI 4,500 outright payment. Now they can work to crack on the patching now call anymore. Almost our half plot one went on 2,500 and the outright payment will chat to now call baby. But your deadline Tuesday the 31st of July 2018 to count and Sassy door so pa chokoli bi ho. Ati ase atu ye bo ase yi ya kwan tututu mu nsuo ho nkane a ho bibia maso bia so ni ho. Obenwu your office at Kwan wa Shaman ye ben Ashaman Municipal Assembly no. And directly opposite Queen's Hotel. Friends is here 0302 907 842 after 0302 907 841. Sounds like bit me after 0243 257 223 and after 0201 427 331. Almanac Real Estate. You dream it, we build it. Yankofa Delali, Canada. Hello, Delali.
Yeah, good afternoon, Jerry.
Hey, good afternoon, Delali. How are you doing?
I'm good. What about you?
Hey, I'm good too.
Okay, just want to thank God.
Hey, just a bro. Say you now back on me.
Yeah, please.
Hey, you ready, move? Okay, all right. So we are listening to you.
Please, I just want to thank God for adding another year to my age. Sunday happens to be my birthday, and I'm so grateful for that.
All right. Okay. All right. Delali, thanks so much for your call, and may the good Lord bless you. And then once again, a happy birthday to you. All right. Okay.
Right?
All right. All right. Just about 6 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Me patro and now Emma and Tuntum. Kiti we Uncle Fire Mammy Jawso. A Phoebe Riasia na I twintwan. Anhwe ye pena malaria akuatia afiatiase for asase so. Ewa bra holy insecticide spray in the mosquito coil. Where effectively it kills mosquitoes, cockroaches, house flies, ants, crawling in and flying insects. Omu nyina ekuo bia. Esho masidrebe. Now holy mosquito coil no. Kesepa jumbo size. Na we no embreki basa. Na nika sem kra ne se ni spray no e was sweet lily fragrance beer. Which spray we are now more them why holy insecticide spray in the coil. Who use catarrh, headache, chest infections, need they can count. Unya hwe we no smokeless be just come on. PBH kwa anytime be abeko shop sell kwa kopeng insecticide spray and now pekola tono. Mane holy insecticide spray and in the mosquito coil and bo ni wobusu ani nyina ho ban correct pa. I will just baby out of door pan phrase 0302 681 582 or 0322 037 623. Holy insecticide spray in the mosquito coil and Tuntum Srubaza. All right, into this one coming in from the Daughters of Glory of Jesus. Another beautiful one. Onokwafu nyame. Chai. I'm on fire new way you do. Papa parara. Someone dada. Hey. Hey. Belated happy birthday. Uncle Emma Caroline, Mommy Payne Smith. Caroline, Mommy Payne Smith. What is 67 years? And you is this, yeah. Yeah, the Nyamias for your life. Mr. Azusa men can't trust in Nyami own shop. Now on to condemn more. Young call United States of America. Hona Ben at the Butu. Hello, Ben.
Yeah, about Jerry.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Ben. Na bibi aboko there.
Passion Akupandum pa mechia for mechia Ghana phone na.
All right. You think the other radio area?
Me da radio minim say you know Monday na say me ba 81 year and mamo na atani din na aye staff akra but mama mo ni Mikel Vida sewa amwako. Mikel and Vida sewa amwako.
Yo. Oh yeah, you muye pa. That's it.
Yeah, now me da radio for the life of Akolaine Meire Gloria Amwako and Amwako families Vera Amwako on Swatema. Okay. And Rana also did a birthday. I didn't show me, I never did show my Ghana. You know what? Being announced, no, men kinda me jump about on my Ghana because this country has been blessed.
Yeah.
On my Ghana, you country, yes, Nakupa Shira on my radar because Uba America, how could different countries out in Ghana, yet demonstration. But it's about time I was here in me. A kind of bomb, a yaba, Kona or mine, or mine, because our president, Nana Kufuor, just show the president and also all the leadership in the country. Ghana.
Amen.
Yeah, for man who be around Emma.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's a pa Benjamin and Carho. Good afternoon, going out to you, Ruth Ahen. Oh, the Church of Pentecost Community One English Assembly. What they are all. Also, Jerry, say new gospel musicians now, but they concentrate more on their dressing and wigs. But not the message, eh? Okay, you I see. And here is you. Yeah. Be pani makeup pa when the music video mu about Kowechi. Na da obe shia no makola wa so ya no pa bi ko di dwa bi no say yes. Difference here me. And here is you. It's just a minute to 4 on 106.3 FM. Mario. Yesterday, the 17th of July, 2018 was your birthday. Mario, Germany. So, a belated happy birthday to you from your mother, Sister Harriet, and all the Asadu family. I know actually our sister and some of my wife. Tinyamisha Mario, na onton kwanem, nenyi nebeye penipa. Ewo Yesu dimu. Amen. And today is your birthday as well, my good friend Eric Owusu Ampao. A brand here or a guy say. Ushiana na watching to so sa. Or fan who brutal. Yes, gentleman and I'm Kwanso. But I answer tied because when you suka back. Nobody who knows that we are David Short, that we are near the idea. Who she and Crow. Hey, Eric. Slow down for Jesus, why? Happy birthday to you, bro. Today, the 18th of July, happens to be your birthday. Have a wonderful celebration and remain blessed. Network be back at us our amount bonus. Now you should say bonus no, but just say what the year calls from some network to obi or some network no so happen no. Yawa bonus no the amount. And now network be back at us our amount bonus. Some bonus no just all the browsing want me find your call. Yawa bonus. And now some bonus we there just all the send it text messages in yawa bonus. And I'm kind Airtel to go 7 countries yawa bonus. No mom open bonus proper correct bonus papa paridia. And the Airtel to go na de ma wo. Hey bonus ya de ma wa de amount. Yan kasa just all their friend network way for nko ape. And na yan kasa just all their kasa nko ape. Yan kasa just all their send text messages pe. Yan kasa just all their browser pe. Bonus na de ma wa. Use it the way you want it. And your bonus ya de achew. And yan ya be catch us say yen say ana yen say dabi use bonus no say the ope bia. So join the network that gives you the most with bonus that you can choose to use for either Airtel Tigo calls and I said data, amazing 100 MB data every month for 6 months. Or you should have said your PBR. What you say? On top, and Airtel Tigo rate no so there at the phone book only 10 pesos for all calls and data. Don't pay up again. Masa man your door. Get your Airtel Tigo SIM right now. Reload and get your bonus. Talk and browse. Join the network that gives you the most. Terms and conditions apply. Airtel Tigo, one big family. Abuso ya ba beti asem a ye de etu yonfo ene awie e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so. But before we do that no, yen fast that kese ma Jumbo Cube for my ade pampatcho nei promotion gusu jemu denden o mu aye de pa. Who you Jumbo Cube and patcho rapper no aya men tontwene keep them. Unya 300 e kona what di achede bebre branded t-shirt, bowls, bags, just say. And yama bebre. Ne 500 walk on the message ayo. Oba benya refrigerators, coolers, fans, hampers. Na main draw na kasa no e baso e wo Kumasi nyame Adom on the 11th of August e wo ye abrabo awia no mienu meche 2 pm wo ose kurum Kumasi. Opechire mu akwacha fra 030290333161 and 0244584889 na emieni nkomo. After fast day do Emma Farmer Trust Limited. Almost na ne omo man bo life ye pa. Omo akofa healthy link hair, nails and then skin e dia ba. Esis you we dey me ye fe na omo wire nso ye kama pa de fe. Na udrin ye bubu na so agya na fu e fa kama pa. E no omo asan my healthy link healthy woman. Oba wunya nom sa dro we bi pe. Tota ye de boss wa no wanyem. E boost fertility pa. Na amount minche improve blood flow. Na lower your chances of heart disease heart related problems near ade nyina. A sign boost your immune system ne pa. And your healthy link menopause tablets wo. Oba bia wadu ba bia wo twa bra no. Man said do we bi no. Sa o ha ne atete ya omo twa bra ya omo efam ni nyina no. On experience bi. Ne de no be ye boko de ama no. Available pharmacy shops out where you ho ahia nyina mu. Dodo pa no. Farmer Trust pharmacies ahodo no. Ni nyina mu do ani kire wono mu a wonsa ebeka bi e ho. Afi DBS Industries Limited on my chance papa me the boy dan so 20-year warranty near the amount against fading, peeling. And afi so cross I enjoy a 5% discount when chance so. It more than so be here chia kwan. You was Spring Test Road. Free so apena na wadu papa restaurant no so eti bon dey aso beba na so abeje chense papa bi na wo dey abo wo dan so kita wo dey bi am yankasa 0240844444 afi 0204344561 factories no ebi Kumasi Tamale and afi Takrade DBS Industries yanyani roof experts no your friend Nana Yaw Asari. I'm on fire, you would do.